Have you ever wondered how you're able to watch funny cat videos, play games online, or talk to someone thousands of miles away instantly? All of that happens because of one amazing invention, the internet. Think of the internet like a massive, magical network that connects millions of computers around the world, allowing people to share information, ideas, and experiences, just like sharing toys with friends. But here's something exciting: the internet is evolving again. A new version is on the horizon, and it's called Web3. If you think the internet is already amazing, then get ready, because Web3 is about to change everything you know about being online. Understanding the evolution from WEB1 to Web3. Before we jump into Web3, let's take a quick look back at where it all began. The very first version of the internet, Web1, was like a digital library. You could read things and access information, but you couldn't really interact. It was static, you were just a viewer. Then came Web 2, the version we use today. Web 2 made the internet social and interactive. You could comment, share, and create your own content. Platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter gave people the ability to connect, express themselves, and even build careers online. But there's a catch. Web 2 is controlled by a handful of large corporations. They decide what you see, how your data is used, and even who gets to participate. That's where Web 3 comes in, a new phase of the internet that gives control back to you, the user. What exactly is Web 3? Web 3 is often described as the next generation of the internet, a version built around decentralization, privacy, and true ownership. At the heart of Web 3 lies blockchain technology, a secure, transparent digital ledger that records transactions and information without needing a middleman or central authority. Instead of everything being owned by big companies, Web 3 is shared among its users. It's an internet powered by people, not corporations. In Web 3, you control your own data. You decide what to share and who can access it. And you can actually own parts of the digital world. Let's break this down even more. Web 3 versus Web 2. What makes them different? Let's compare both to see how the internet is transforming: centralization versus decentralization. Web 2 is run by a few big companies. Web 3 is powered by a network of people. Data control. In Web 2, companies own your data. In Web 3, you do. Privacy. Web 3 is built on cryptography, making your information more secure than ever. Monetization. In Web 2, ad companies profit from your data. In Web 3, you can earn directly from your content and contributions using tokens or cryptocurrencies. Governance. Web 3 gives users a voice in decisions through community voting and decentralized governance. Transparency. Every transaction on Web 3 can be verified on the blockchain. No secrets, no hidden rules. Web 3 transforms you from a user into an owner and participant. Real-life Web 3 applications. Now let's look at how Web 3 is already reshaping our daily lives. 1. Decentralized finance. DeFi. DeFi lets people access banking services without banks. You can lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest directly on blockchain platforms like OV, Compound, or Uniswap. 2. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. NFTs let artists and creators sell digital artwork or music directly to fans on marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and NBA Top Shot. No middleman needed. 3. Decentralized social networks. Platforms like Mastodon and Steemit allow people to share freely without being controlled by corporate algorithms or censorship. 4. Decentralized storage. Web 3 projects like Filecoin and Storage store your files securely across a network, not in one company's server. 5. Blockchain gaming. Games like Axie Infinity and CryptoKitties reward players with real value, allowing them to own and trade their in-game assets. 6. Decentralized identity. DID. Tools like Uport and Civic let you manage your identity securely without giving away personal details to third parties. 7. Decentralized exchanges DEX. DEXs like PancakeSwap and SushiSwap allow peer-to-peer crypto trading. No banks, no middlemen, just secure blockchain-based transactions. Challenges and misunderstandings. Of course, Web3 isn't perfect. Some people find it hard to understand, with new terms like blockchain, wallets, and smart contracts that can feel intimidating at first. There's also the issue of scams and fraud, fake websites, or deceptive crypto projects that target beginners. That's why it's important to stay alert, verify sources, and only use trusted platforms. Another challenge is governance. Since Web3 is decentralized, it can sometimes be unclear who's responsible for decisions or disputes. That's where DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, come in, groups where users vote on decisions using tokens, ensuring fairness and transparency. And finally, there's the fear of change. People are used to the internet they know, and Web3 feels unfamiliar. But every technological revolution begins with uncertainty, just like when the internet itself first appeared, getting started with Web3. If you're curious to experience Web3 firsthand, here's how to begin. Set up a digital wallet. Install a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. This is your key to the Web3 world. Get some cryptocurrency. Buy or earn crypto like Ether ETH. You'll need it for transactions and digital purchases. Explore dApps. Try decentralized apps on OpenSea, Rarible, or Decentraland. Buy, trade, or just explore. Join communities. Connect with Web3 enthusiasts, developers, and creators on platforms like Discord or Telegram. Keep learning. Web3 is evolving fast. Stay curious, stay informed, and grow with it. Final words. Web3 is not just a buzzword, it's a revolution. It's an internet built for the people, by the people. A digital world where you control your data, own your assets, and decide your digital destiny. We're stepping into an era of fairness, transparency, and innovation, one that puts the power back into your hands. So, don't just watch it happen, be a part of it. The future of the internet is Web3, and it's waiting for you to explore. If this video helped you understand Web3, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves tech, and subscribe for more educational videos that explain the world of blockchain, Web3, and digital innovation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.